The first days after the storm felt unreal. We woke in disbelief and I had a hard time trusting my eyes about the amounts of snow we had gotten. I immediately felt like a child again who sees snow for the first time. You know, as a child in the snow, nothing else exists. The cold doesn't matter, wet clothes don't matter, time doesn't matter. You fall and laugh before you even feel it. You don't think about how long you've been outside. You don't think about anything at all. You just live in the moment and forget everything around you. And in that moment, that was exactly how I felt. But after the initial moments of joy, reality hit us. Roads were blocked, cars covered, plans cancelled. With the beginning of a new year, I like to jump straight into doing. New year, fresh start, new projects. This time though, the storm didn't exactly fit into my plans. And while in the past this situation would have really bothered me, this time I took it as a sign that maybe it is not yet time for me to be productive. That I still need time to rest, just as nature does.
It's the least I can do. You know I was trying, it was never enough. I needed somebody, but it got too much. And I know that I've got my problems, and sometimes I lay them on you.
Okay, so I just finished the last coffee we had left in the house. One thing these past couple of days have definitely taught me is that we're very poorly prepared for getting snowed in. Luckily, we now managed to free all the cars on the driveway so we can actually go places again, but it took us a couple of days. Also, why is it that as soon as you can't do something, you feel like that's the only thing you want to do in that exact moment? Even if you didn't necessarily think about it before or you didn't want to do it before. But in that moment you think that this is now the only thing you want to do. It's such a strange phenomenon. If there's one thing that life in the North has certainly taught me, it is to live with the seasons and embrace every single day as it comes. Because after all, you cannot change the weather, but you can change how you let it affect you. So perhaps the snowstorm was exactly what I needed. A reminder that winter is for slowing down, resting, and taking care of ourselves, so that when the time comes, we're ready to grow again.